Way too many people with damaged hair have no idea where to start, how long it's gonna take, or how much effort they need to put in. So let's talk about it. It's actually way easier than you would ever think. You just have to know the cheat codes, which I'm about to give you in this video. You only need one product and 10 minutes a week. Let me tell you a quick story about one of my clients who used this exact method to repair her hair. Her hair got damaged because she went to a new stylist, and this new stylist overprocessed her hair, causing a ton of damage. Her hair became extremely dry, brittle, started breaking off, especially around her face, and the last place you ever want to have breakage is right in the front there. By using Olaplex and being very gentle whenever we heat style her hair, we were able to repair it, restore the moisture, and stop the breakage. And yes, that's right, you can improve the health of your hair while heat styling it. The people who tell you that you can't do that either don't know what they're talking about, or they're treating you with kid gloves because they don't think that you'll be able to actually do it. But that's another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process we used on her hair to bring it back to life and exactly how long it took. So quick checklist before we get going. This will work for anyone with any hair type. It takes only 10 minutes a week and only requires one Olaplex product. It's pretty awesome, so let's get into it. If you don't know me, my name is Chris. I own a hair salon called Live Love Locks. We try out every new hair product and bring the best ones to you. I make these videos because way too many people have unhealthy hair, and I don't want you to be one of them. All right, so how long does Olaplex actually take to work? It's really easy to get fooled. Look at this entire range of Olaplex products and think that it's based on how many of them that you use. Olaplex wants you to buy these big bundles with the shampoo, the conditioner, the this, the number that, the whatever, but it's not about that at all. All of that is just marketing from the hair care industrial complex. They're just trying to make more money, and we don't care about that. All we care about is getting your hair healthy. And the fact is, you only need one Olaplex product to accomplish that, and there's two reasons for it. The first reason is that one Olaplex product is stronger than all the rest, so there's no reason to bother messing with the other ones. The big lie here from the hair care industrial complex is that you need to buy the entire system for best results. Whenever you see buy the entire system for best results, I want you to run. It's just a money-making scheme. It's not actually best for your hair. Olaplex is the king of making these big bundles that make people spend more money. They're really good at that. But another example that's easier to understand is purple shampoo. The fact is, you only need one product with purple in it. That's all you need. But they come out with purple shampoo and purple conditioner, so instead of just selling one product, they can sell you two products and make more money. That's essentially what Olaplex is doing here. Don't buy the whole thing. Don't do it. The second reason we only need one Olaplex product is that there's diminishing returns, aka your hair can only handle so much Olaplex at a time. So you really only need one product. Putting on 6 on top of that does no good. Think of hair damage like a cut on your arm. You might put one Band-Aid on top of it and you're good to go. There's no reason to put 2 Band-Aids on top of it or 6 Band-Aids Olaplex. It's just useless. Moving on. Let's dive into exactly which Olaplex product you're going to be using, but before that, you need to understand Olaplex makes 2 different types of products. The first type of products is styling products and includes number 6, 7, and 9. These are only for styling, not repairing your hair. Technically, these do have the Olaplex repairing complex inside of them, but they're so weak, they don't really do anything and you'll never notice. So these are only for styling. So when I say we're only going to use one Olaplex product, I'm not counting about these styling products. You can style to your heart's content. I'm talking only about repair products. Repair and styling are totally separate. Getting into the repair products, there's too many to hold, but it's number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. I know that's a whole lot to pick from, but luckily we've already done the testing. We haven't seen any synergy at all. The strongest one is number 3. So all we're gonna do is pick Olaplex number 3. Forget about all the others. The Olaplex Repair Shampoo and Conditioner do work, and we do sell them at my salon because a lot of people like them, but I really don't recommend them because so many people complain that their hair gets heavy so quickly. So if you're using Olaplex and it gets heavy very, very quickly, I'd recommend you try something different. So we're going with Olaplex 3. It's way stronger than any of the others and doesn't weigh your hair down like the shampoo and conditioner. I'll tell you exactly how to use it in just a second, but first, how long does it take for this to actually work? You will notice a difference the very first time that you use this. You may be tempted to think it's in your head, but no, we've tried this out on a ton of people. You can feel the difference in the hair right away. So Olaplex is not this thing where you have to use it for months without noticing a difference and then it finally kicks in. It kicks in right away, but that's not to say that you're done on the first day. You're probably gonna have to use this for 2 or 3 months, depending on how damaged your hair was in the first place. But remember, you'll be seeing progress the whole way, so you never really get bored. It always feels like it's worth it, and it's definitely a good investment. I also wanna set your expectations in one other way. Yes, this is amazing. You will notice a huge difference, but the thing is, it'll never get your hair back all the way to 100%. You'll probably get stuck around 90. Now 90% still looks amazing, especially when it's styled. You'll probably have the best hair of any room that you go into, but you will probably notice a difference between the texture of your roots, the new healthy growth, and the hair that's down here that you had to repair. I'm just telling you this so you don't get frustrated when you hit that 90% and wonder why you're not getting any more results. 90% is still amazing. Don't do anything crazy or drastic like using the whole bottle or anything like that. All right, so here's the exciting part. Here's how we actually do it. It's super simple, as promised, 10 minutes a week and one Olaplex product. We're gonna take our Olaplex 3 strongest of all Olaplex products and we're gonna put it on wet hair before we take a shower and wash our hair. You're gonna apply this anywhere you have damage. If that's everywhere, put it everywhere, totally fine. If your roots are healthy and it's more the damage is in here, that's totally fine too. You can skip your roots. Now you're gonna leave this on for at least 10 minutes. Longer is better if you can, but you don't have to. Play a couple games of Wordle, take your cat for a walk if you're like me, whatever. And then it is hair washing time. You're gonna shampoo your hair just like you normally would with normal shampoo, and this is going to rinse right out. You're gonna condition your hair just like you normally would. You can get extra credit if you use a mask here instead of a conditioner. Mask is the best, but conditioner is fine too. And that's literally the entire process. It's super easy. All you have to do is do that once a week and you'll get great results. But if you want faster results, you can do it twice a week. Now, it's really important that you don't let this simplicity fool you. This will give you way better results than if you use number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all this stuff in this order and combine them at this time and all this stuff. This actually gives you better results. Hair does not need to be complicated. All we care about is results. If an easy win is presented to us, we just take it. So quick recap here. The only product you need is Olaplex 3. You're gonna put it on wet hair for 10 minutes before you wash it. After you wash your hair, it's best to use a mask, but if you just use conditioner, that's fine too. It's super, super simple. Take a screenshot of this so you can remember to do it later. But you also need to remember your damaged hair will never get all the way back to 100%. It'll look amazing. It'll look a million times better than it did. You can still have the best hair in the room, but don't spend your money chasing 100%. I hope this was super helpful. I'm gonna link all the products in the description. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you. Have an amazing day, guys. Thanks for watching.